Okay, so we are going to review question paper of 1986 AMC8. Going to question number 1. In July 1861, 366 inches of rain fell in Cherrapunji, India. What was the average rainfall in inches per hour during that month? So first we have to calculate the number of hours in that month, which will be 31 days into 24 hours. Okay, then we already know that total rain was 36 inches, so you divide this by 31 into 24, you are going to get the rainfall in inches per hour during that month. So answer option is A. Moving to the second question, which of the following numbers has the largest reciprocal? So if the number has a largest reciprocal, then the number itself should be the smallest number. So just by looking at the answer options, we know that the smallest number in this is 1 by 3. Okay, which is A, which is your answer option. Going to the next question. The smallest sum one can get by adding three different numbers from the set 7, 25 minus 1, 12 and minus 3 is. So to get the smallest sum, right, we should add up the smallest numbers from the list. So which is minus 1, minus 3 and 7. So this answer is going to give you 3. So answer option is C and 3. Going to the fourth question. The product 1.8 into 40.3 plus 0.7 is closest to. So look at this word closest to. They are not asking for the exact answer. So we have to use approximation here to quickly finish our question and move to the next. So instead of 1.8, I'm going to take this multiplication as 2. Now 2 is greater than 1.8, right? So whatever answer I'm going to get is going to be greater than the answer that we want. Okay, you should remember that. So I'm going to say 2 into 40.3 plus 0.707. So this is going to be equal to 40.37 approximately. So I'm going to get an approximate answer of 80, which is greater than the answer I want, but not very high. Okay, so now the second answer option, if you see 42, that's almost 50% of 80. No, so this can't be my answer. This will be my answer because I've only increased from 1.8 to 2, right, which is only 0.2. So my answer option here is 74. Obviously it cannot be 84 because it has to be an answer lesser than 80. So C, 74 is the option. Going to the next question. A contest began at noon one day and ended 1,000 minutes later. At what time did the contest end? So we have to find um, how many hours in this 1,000 minutes. So I'm going to divide 1,000 by 60. So here I'm going to get 1, 16, 4 by 6. So this 4 by 6 into 60, okay, is going to give me 40 minutes. Okay, so I have 16 hours and 40 minutes. Add that to 12 noon and you are going to get 4:40 a.m., which is answer option D. Okay, moving to the next question. 2 by 1 minus 2 by 3, very easy. 2 by 1 minus 2 by 3 is nothing but 1 by 3. Now this is 2 into 3 by 1, which is 6. This is the answer. Going to the next one. How many whole numbers are there between root of 8 and root of 80? Between, right? So I'm going to say root of 8. Now root of 8 is going to give me a decimal number. I'm going to find the nearest root slightly greater than this, so which is going to give me a whole number. So that will be root of 9 and the whole number will be 3. Okay, and the other we have is root of 80. Now I'm going to get a number slightly greater than this, which has a whole number as a square root. So that is 81. So I'm going to get 9. But I want the numbers to be existing between 8 and 80. 9 is greater than 8. So for this 3, I'm going to include this number. But this number 81, this is greater than 80. I want numbers between root of 8 and root of 80, right? So this has to be excluded. Okay, so the numbers I have in my list are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, which is 6 numbers. So answer option is B, 6. Going to the next one. In the product, B2 into 7B is equal to 6396. B is a digit. What is the value of B? So we have B2 into 7B. Okay, so now this is equal to 6396. So look at the ending number 6. So 2 into B should be 6. Okay, so 2 into B should end with a 6. So in this case, B can only be two options. So this can be um, 3 or 8. Okay, now you see we have both in our answer choices. So we know that the answer is either A or E only. Now how do we find the right one? Now we'll see here. If we use 3, so we'll see 32 into 73. The other will be 82 into 73. Now, if I approximate this, see, 7 threes are 21. So, the answer is going to be in the range of 2000s, okay, or slightly greater. Now, in this case, the answer is going to be in the range of 5000. So, 5600. So, which is closest to the answer which we need? 6396, this one. Okay. So, your answer option is 8, E8. Okay. That's all. Approximation. Now, question number 9. Using only the paths and the directions shown, how many different routes are there from M to N? So we'll start sketching the routes out. So first from M to A, we will finish all, then we'll go to M to B. So for M to A, we have M, A, D, C, N, and we have M, A, C, and N. Okay, only two. Now for B, we have M, B, N, then we have M, B, C, N, then we have MBACN, and then we have MBADCN. Okay, now we have 6 routes and 6 is the highest number. We cannot have a route more than this because there's no answer option. So your answer is E6. Going to the next sum. A picture 3 feet across is hung in the center of a wall that is 19 feet. So the wall is like this. This is 19, and the picture is hung in the center of the wall like this, and this picture is 3 feet. How many feet from the end of the wall is the nearest edge of the picture? So they want this distance, right? So it's simple. 19 minus 3 is going to give you 16. So 16, if you divide, this is going to be 8 and this is going to be 8. So your answer option is B8.